Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01442 error in Oracle database 12c. So I am going to log in as a common user called c#squad, which I already created. So now I am going to create one table called person 8. Okay, create table person 8. So it contains name column, which is a not null column, and the age column. Okay, so I have created a person 8 table, name and age. The name column is a not null column. Okay, now alter table person 8, modify name not null. Okay, so ORA-01442 column to be modified to not null is already not null. So you can see that in create table I already specified the name column as not null. So again I have specified the not null in alter table. So this causes the issue. So now I